It's called sweet gourds. Oh, I get one. You can see there is a massive sweet. Assalamu alaikum. Hello there. Welcome to Tamim's English Care. Today I have come to a fantastic place. After coming here, I'm just in front of the camera. I thought I should share with you the natural beauty of rural area. As you can see, right now I am bank of the river. On my left side there is a river. It is called Borbaga, which is located beside the Boiragi Bazar in Sylhet. As you can see, the river has very tiny amount of water. You can see over there, the river has very tiny amount of water because it is winter season. That's why rain doesn't come. When the rainy season will come, the water will be increases. But at this moment, rain doesn't come. That's why the water gradually decrease. And not only there is a river, but also beside the river you can see the farmers are cultivated different types of crops. Just I am trying to show you. You can see it is called sweet gourds. I can't see any sweet. Oh, I get one. You can see there is a massive sweet. Some days ago I came here, but I didn't see any kind of sweet. There is some flowers available, and gradually the sweets are initiative stage. But on the other hand, some sweets are matured. And not only the sweet gourds, but also over there you can see beans are available, and some beans are matured, and on the other hand some beans are initiative stage. So dear viewers, now I'm trying to show you the exact scenario of the place. On my right side there are different types of crops available. Oh my lord. The natural beauty is really dazzling, and I'm spending mesmerizing moment here. The nature are glittering. Crops are really fantastic, and the leaves of crops glittering. That's why the nature is look like mind-blowing. Oh my lord. You can see this is the leaf of trees. This is the bean trees. You can see some beans are available. Within some days the beans will be matured. After matured the beans, the farmer will take it and they will eat, or someone will sell. This is why we get beans or different types of crops. So we should respect our farmers, those who are cultivating different types of crops. For them we get different types of crops, and we get in market various kind of crops. So I think they deserve respect, they deserve credit. Now I am walking. You can see there are a lot of grasses, and grasses are wetted by foggies. This is bank of the river, but this is a really enjoyable side for me, and today I have come here to enjoy the natural beauty, and this is really high time for me to enjoy the moment. As you can see, there are nobody available in this area. That's why I am walking and enjoying the natural beauty. Beside that, I am making my video. I think it is a really interesting for me, interesting moment for me. That's why I am trying to making video. Why not making video? Making video is my one kind of hobby.